Model is CS100. This is the on off switch and this is the charging indication. Whenever you on the machine, system test OK will come. So let us go through the overview of this. These are the modes: automatic, semi-automatic and manual mode. In automatic mode, this trigger source will be only through ECG. You cannot change it through any other source. And in semi-automatic mode, you can change the source, which can be pressure, pacer, ventricular or AV, or pacer A or internal. Then in manual mode also you can change the trigger source. So mostly in ECG trigger source is selected. This is the IABP frequency 1:1, that is for 1 second, 1:2 and 1:3. So this is the frequency. This is the augmentation, that is pressure. You can increase or decrease. And this is the inflation and deflation period. Here you can see this is for inflation period and this is for deflation period. Then this is alarm mute button, you can mute from here. Then this is for IABP fill, to fill the IABP balloon. Hold it for 2 seconds, then the IABP balloon will get filled. Then this is help. If any help is required, you can press this button. So this help button will let you know the initial setup which needs to be done. That is verify mains power is on, then open the helium tank which is over here, indication of the helium tank, and the establish ECG and pressure, that is the trigger source. Then this is the reference line. You can see whenever you press this, reference line will come over here. Then this is the augmentation alarm. This is the, if it is like this it would be on, and if it is not blinking then it would be off. This is the basic up and down menu, up, down, right, left. So this is the basic menu. To go back, this is the back button. Then this is for selecting the ECG lead source. Whichever lead you want, you can select it from here, or else if you want to go to pressure, you can use these buttons, direct or external. Then pump options. So these are the options which are used by the clinician. Then user preferences. If you want to change anything, like for example set date and time, display preferences, printer preferences, you can change it from here. Go to back to close the menu. Inflation interval. Freeze display. Display will get freezed whenever the IBP is started. At that time, this display can be freezed from this button. If you press it continuously, hold it continuously, the print strip will come continuously. For zeroing, hold it for 2 seconds, that is zero pressure. This is start button and this is for standby. So on display, these are for alarm messages. On top of the screen, alarm will come. Then ECG, which lead is selected, that will be indicated over here. Then pressure source would be direct or external, will be indicated over here. IABP fill mode, automatic or manual, will be displayed over here. Then slow gas alarm, that is about the helium, will be displayed over here if it is on or off. Then operation mode, whether it is auto, semi-automatic or manual, will be displayed over here. Then this is the balloon status, inflation and deflation status will be displayed over here. Then trigger source will be displayed over here. Then this is the heart rate, systolic and diastolic pressure, and the mean pressure will be displayed over here, and the augmentation pressure, and also the augmentation alarm indication over here. Helium cylinder level will be displayed over here. So backside, this is the power cord, this is the pump, and this is the helium cylinder. Here you can connect the ECG cable, pressure cable, and the slave cable which directly goes to the monitor. So now how to replace the cylinder? First, close the cylinder tight, remove this, remove. From second line, hold it properly. So cylinder removed. While replacing it, keep it in mind that these two holes will face towards this side. We'll fix on this now. So place it over here, hold it, and then tight it. open it. So now when you on the cylinder, you can see the cylinder level. This is the IABP balloon. So now how to do basic test of this machine. Connect this over here. And then keep the operation mode in semi-automatic or manual, and then IABP fill for 2 seconds. Hold it for 2 seconds. Auto filling will start, and you can see the pressure over here. You can also press the start button without pressing the IABP fill button.